Hi, I'm Luis Bernardes from LC Pod 1.
Okay, what are the goals, objectives of the project or event you have participated in?
The goals that this event is providing is that for the children to learn more, to understand math and English more, and especially computer, since this school is not really um, not blessed with technology yet.
Do you believe that those goals were achieved and why?
Yes, first of all, as NSTP students, it's our goal to teach these kids on how to learn and understand things more, and of course to help them understand how to use computer and technology. There.
Tell us about the partner community and the people you've met, the learners, and worked with.
This place is really, really, really not like the city. It's a province, and it's so quiet, and the kids are have this ability wherein they could learn easier, and they cooperate, they initiate doing things, and they are fun to be with.
How were your personal values reflected on your work?
I